On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can enable edge lighting for notifications and also customize the colors, style, and effects so the edges of your screen light up beautifully whenever you receive an alert. Here's how to set it up. First, go to Settings. From there, go to Notifications, to Notification Pop-up Style, and make sure it's set to Brief. Next, tap on Add Lighting Effect to open the Edge lighting settings. Here, you can change the lightings, effects, colors, and explore some advanced options. Most effects, except glitter, allow you to pick your own colors. Select the style and color you like. Then, go into Advanced to adjust transparency, width, and duration of the edge lighting. Once you're happy with the setup, press Done. Now, whenever you receive a notification, your screen edges will light up in the style and color you chose. That's all. Thanks for being with us.